Hello everyone. I am Assistant Professor Nare BS, working as Assistant Professor in General Science and Humanities Department in Jnanasri Institute of Engineering and Technology. I have posted one video in the week one, which is quite related to the communication and environmental sustainability. Then I have posted the second video, which is related to the internal and external communication for dealing with the environmental sustainability. And the video outcome is to understand the environmental objectives and the target, and creating awareness of environmental issues, to remember the environmental policies, analyze the carbon emissions, and evaluate the carbon emissions of communication devices. And the last one is very important, applying the remedies to reduce the carbon emissions. The week one video, which is related to the ISO 14001 2015, uh, and, and having the purpose of what to communicate, when to communicate, whom to communicate, and how to communicate. And it is also applicable to the subject communicate sustainability among the stakeholders and the society and organization. Week 2 video, which is related to the ISO 14001 2015, and having the purpose to know environmental objectives and targets, raising awareness of environmental issues, to communicate the environmental policies. And also it is related to the ISO 9001 2015, which is related to the document requirements for the process of quality management systems. uh, in this video, I am giving you the details about how international corporation communicate their carbon footprint to the society and the stakeholders. If you observe the image very carefully, then we can see that here the information source and the receiver, that is destination. Whenever we are trying to send some information, opinion, or idea via a particular channel or transmission, we are creating some carbon footprints, and uh, that is creating the greenhouse gases by using the communication devices. These are the conceptual framework for the carbon footprints. Uh, an attempt to capture the full amount of greenhouse emission that are directly and indirectly caused by an activity or are complete over the life stage of a product. The classical communication model, how to use the different communication channels effectively. The purpose is to show how a communication goes from the information source to its final destination. Corporate sustainability communication, to divide corporation into the categories based on their motives for the communication, and to show how corporate sustainability communication prevent the part of an organization communication. These are the conceptual framework of carbon footprints. This is about the communicating the sustainability. If we are uh, talking about the sustainability, we should think about the target group, whom to communicate the objectives, message, and methods, when to communicate, how to take the feedback of sustainability, which methods can be used for the sustainability. Out of this, we can get the communicating sustainability to improve the performance and getting the reputation in the on the planet. This is one example of carbon footprints of playing a game or watching a game on a particular device. For example, if I am playing a game on a smartphone, it means that I am creating 0.8 to 0.40 kg carbon emission per year. If I am playing the same game on the tablet or LCD, it means that I am creating 3.7 kg carbon emission and 0.3 35 kg carbon emission respectively. These are the some statistics which are related to the IT sector, which will be reveal the truth of IT sector components that we are using on the daily basis, like a, photocopy machine, printers, PC or desktops, or smartphone, laptop, like that. And these are the some statistics which gives us the information about the carbon footprints. For example, if we take the example of a printer, the printer, only the printer is giving 15.7% 7% carbon footprints per year. If we take the example of desktop or PC, that is giving us the 13.7 carbon footprints. If we take the example of mobile phone, it is giving the carbon footprints of 0.7%. So if we take the example of all these IT components, it is giving 100% carbon footprints to the planet. So we need to think on that. If we want to reduce the carbon emission from the planet, these are the remedies that with the help of that remedies we can reduce the carbon emission. The first one is switch off the lights. Whenever we are not requiring the lights, we should switch it off the lights. Take the stairs instead of a lift or elevator. AC on, shut the windows. Take the shorter shower so that we can save some water. Power down the laptops whenever we are not using it. Unplug the electronic devices when it is not in use. Keep the room temperature moderate. Do full load of laundry. Use the favor or share appliances. Switch to the LED bulbs instead of CFL and all that. So if we do that kind of remedies, then only we can reduce some kind of carbon emission from the planet, and then only we can say we can live on this planet safely. So that is why we are saying that reduce the carbon emission and save the planet. Thank you.